2008 CRV Honda issue with the alternator. Symptom was charging, sometimes not charging, but whenever it's not charging, it will shut off your air condition, everything, charging, lights, everything. And unfortunately, they will shut off the main fan for cooling system. That's the issue. That will make a engine heat. Only problem is on this particular you will not get the code, but everything is controlled by the computer. So whenever this type of symptoms, this alternator basically they have a carbon bushes inside. Whenever they are going bad, that's a symptom. It comes like sometime it charge, sometime it will not charge. If the rectifier or anything is bad, that it either is charge or either it will not charge. So this is 2.4 Honda CRV engine. This engine comes into a Accord, Acura, bunch of cars. It's similar like a 2.K24A this engine is, and similar with the K20A, B, whatever the series. The basic is same, only the capacity of the engine horsepower is different. So procedure for that, what I'm right now on CRV, I'm removing this thing, then remove the power pump, and then I'll see how much space I have it over here. So hopefully when I remove these things, I have enough space to take it out the alternator up directly. If it's not, then it will be nightmare. So for that thing, first of all remove the ground terminal, because you have to dealing with the power. There's a two 10mm over here, one, and one should be over here, which I cannot see in the camera. So, or you can just remove this thing by removing this thing and just pull it out, and now you can see that's two. So we can remove this thing, plate, bracket holder, and that will be easy to remove everything. So after that, they have a 12mm, where I can focus, 12mm for the power pump. One, two, I think it's a 3 bolts over here. One, two, bottom one, and one is over here somewhere. 2 or 3. Normally it's 3, so it should be 3. Then alternator have one big bolt over here on the top and 2 at the bottom, so that's why I keep it over here. And if you can see it from here, that's a one which is look like a 14mm. I'll check it, or 12mm, and the camera is look like 12mm. Okay, so 12, guess that will be, the rest of them will be also 12. So hopefully it will cover it, and it will save your time as well. If it's anything comes difficulties, then I'll make a video, but this is how it goes for like that. This is the best time you can change the serpentine belt as well if it's bad or it's old. So but for that you have to go under the car and make it loop everything. But once you are fixing back, you keep it locked somewhere around here so it will not lose too much. But still you have to go under the car and or turn the steering and take it out the plastic or lower shield. It will be much easier to put a belt. So this is general how it goes. Hopefully it will help you out to get an idea, and please subscribe, share and like my channel. This is Shahrukh from Auto Services Provider. If I can do it, you can do it as well, man. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.